Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rike's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make soft Maandazi or Mahamri in another name. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 packet of yeast which is approximately to 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 cup of coconut milk or you can use some water, and lastly a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. So start by adding all the dry ingredients, which is 1 tablespoon of yeast, a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and mix all the dry ingredients very well. Followed by 1 tablespoon of butter or oil and continue mixing very well. Lastly, add 1 cup of coconut milk or you can use some water. Pour a bit by a bit while mixing till you get a dough. I've used 1 cup of coconut milk, which is approximately to 250 milliliter. Then I'm going to knead my dough till it's super soft. Continue kneading the dough for approximately 7 to 10 minutes. If you want to know that your dough is ready, press it a bit, then your dough will automatically come up. Then your dough is ready. Once you're done kneading the dough, you're going to divide the dough into 3 to 4 tiny doughs according to the size of Maandazi you will want. Take one dough at a time, sprinkle a bit of flour and press the dough and roll out the dough into a thick circle. Note: make sure you don't roll out the dough so thin like chapati. The circle of Maandazi has to be a bit thick like this. Once you're done rolling out the dough, afterwards you can shape your Maandazi in this technique or you can use a glass to shape them in circles. When you're done shaping your Maandazis, arrange them on a tray and cover them and place them on a warm place for approximately 20 to 30 minutes till your Maandazi have double sized. After 20 minutes, my Maandazi have rised, then it's high time to fry them in the oil. Place some oil on a pan and let the oil to become hot on a low medium heat and deep fry the Maandazi one at a time. Once they start popping up like this, turn them on the other side and let them cook until you get the color you desire. Once your Maandazis have this amazing color, then flip them on the other side and let them cook till you get the color you prefer. Once they have this amazing color on both sides, remove them from the oil and place them on a plate. And my soft coconut mandazis are ready, as you can see in the video. Serve along with a cup of tea or stew and enjoy your coconut mandazis. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.